Welcome back to our mini-series on customer data platforms. In this episode, we'll be discussing the analytics and insight capabilities of customer data platforms, or CDPs. CDPs provide retailers and marketers with a wealth of analytics and reporting capabilities. This includes real-time analytics, such as tracking customer behavior and purchasing history, as well as advanced analytics, such as customer lifetime value and customer churn. Both can be tackled with a customer data platform. CDPs also allow retailers and e-commerce businesses to easily create custom reports and dashboards, which can be used to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences. I believe that you work with the analytics first to understand what the customers are. Then you set up the circular campaigns. These insights can be used to improve marketing and sales strategies, increase customer engagement and loyalty, and ultimately drive revenue. In the next episode, we'll be discussing the implementation and best practices for using CDPs. Stay tuned. Are you ready to implement a customer data platform for your business? In episode 5 of our CDP Customer Data Platform 101 series, we'll be discussing the best practices for implementing and using CDPs. Get tips and advice on how to make the most of this powerful technology.